Today we will learn about advertisement expenses. Okay, so before going forward to advertisement expenses audit, we will understand the meaning of advertisement. What is advertisement? Advertisement is promotion of product or services which an organization makes. So advertisement can be in any form, like through newspapers, hoardings, televisions, through social media, and through personal selling. Okay, radio, televisions, magazines, hoardings, slides, newspapers. Okay, these are the means through which a company can advertise. Now we'll come to the topic audit of advertisement expenses. So there are in total 6 points. So the advertisement expenses will be vouched in the following manner. First is, as an auditor, what you have to see, you have to ensure that the nature of advertisement expenses, to ensure that the same have been charged properly. Like if you give advertisement in famous channel, okay, like you give advertisement in Z News, Z Star, or anything, so the advertisement charges will be much higher as comparison to the channels which are less watched, okay, with the less TRP rate. So advertisement for you have to determine the advertisement expenses nature. So only you can determine the charges of that. Now second thing is, you have to obtain the complete list of advertisement media wise, like newspapers, slides, hoarding, magazine, television, radio, showing the dates, exact locations, timing, along with the amounts paid in respect of each category. Like you are advertising some products only in a specific location. So you are going to advertise, okay, you want to sell your product there, okay, to expand your business. So you have to, as an auditor, you have to check the dates, locations, exact location in which the hoardings are put, exact location in which uh, the magazines and televisions are telecasted. Okay, so timings at which these are telecasted in television and broadcasted in radio, along with the amount paid in respect of each category. Like you paid 20,000 for advertisement in radio, you paid 2 lakhs for advertisement in televisions. Okay, so this you have to do. Now third point is, see that the advertisement expenses relate to the client's business. As an auditor, you have to check the client's business also, that the advertisement they are showing in the records and the expenses they are showing in the records, does this really matches with their business, or it is just irrelevant for their business. Okay, you have to see. Then the fourth point is, ascertain whether there is a regular contract with an advertising agencies. So when you are regularly advertising your product, you come into a contract with an advertising agency. So as an auditor, you have to see that contract. See that regular statements are obtained from the agency showing the advertising media and amounts debited to the client. You also have to see the journal entry in the client's books that the amounts have been debited to the client, means expenses has been made. Discounts, if any, should be properly adjusted and disclosed in the bills. You have to also check that any discount given by the advertising agencies, you have to check that also. Now last point is, second last point is, check the receipts for amounts paid for the advertising expenses incurred. So as an auditor, you have to see the bills, receipt. Okay, you have paid for the advertisement, show us the receipt, we are going to verify it. So that was the second last point. Now last point is, see the outstanding advertising expenses have been properly disclosed on the liability side of the balance sheet. Any outstanding expenses, okay, they are shown in the balance sheet in the liability side. So as an auditor, you have to check the balance sheet that the expenses which are still outstanding, which are still unpaid by the company, you have to see that they are disclosed properly. That's it.